it's your favorite time of day. It's time for your 3 moves, 3 minutes, and I've got a very challenging one for you, but it doesn't mean that you shouldn't try it. So I want you to do what you can, the best you can. The 3 moves are going to be as follows. One of my favorites, and we've done it before, is we're just going to do this jump twist, and then we're going to go down to the ground, and we're going to get in a push-up position, and we're going to go side to side here like this, and then from here we're going to go forward and back. That's it right there. I'm not going to explain a whole lot. We're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jump, twist, go. Looks just like this. I've mentioned this before. It's worth mentioning again, that when you are jumping, you're working your body's lymphatic system. That is your body's sewage system. So we're getting rid of all of that fluid that's in the body that might not otherwise be able to get out of your body. So this bouncing is great. Going right here. This is also going to work your calves, your cardio, and it's just going to be good for you overall. So just do, like I said, do the best you can, and don't judge yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Just move. If you move more today than you did yesterday, you're going to be a lot better off. So we are getting ready to switch here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to the ground. Let's take our time. Get down here. We're not in a rush. Okay? I got a lot of stuff in here in my way. We'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're bouncing side to side, just like this. Now this is working your entire body. We're getting your upper body, your lower body, your cardio again, your balance, your waist, your whole entire core, and all of that. Woo. I really feel this in my shoulders. So let's keep going. It's all good. It's good stuff. Got to do it. If you need to take a break, take a break. So I'll tell you what, I'm feeling it as my shirt continues to ride up my body. Almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Gonna take a little break. Yeah, man, this take work, right? But it's okay. We're gonna get a start here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In and back. In. So this is getting your flexibility in your inner thighs. A lot of people are tight in there. This is good stuff. Well, I'm feeling my burn in my shoulders. I'll tell you that. Just focus in right now. It's getting hard, I know, but it's all good. Yeah, come on. You got this. It's funny, I knew exactly where the clock was going to be when I looked. I guessed, and I was right. Oh, my quads are on fire. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, that's it. 3 minutes of your life that you chose to invest into your health, your fitness, and I know you're feeling a little bit tired, but I also know you're going to feel a whole lot better. That's it. Make it a great day.